What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by iCODIS, and we're taking a look at their ProLive T400 projector. Now, this is really awesome for work or home, and you're able to stream movies on it through a variety of different input methods. Now, the connection things this thing supports is, of course, USB, and then, of course, two HDMI inputs. It has another USB, VGA, AV, and, of course, one for audio. So, of course, it supports everything that can be supported in terms of HDMI cables and whatnot. And then, of course, it also comes in at 3800 lumens. So, of course, one of the problems I've had with these projectors in the past is that if there's any bit of sunlight coming into the room, you're just not able to make out what's going on the projector. That's not the case here. It's very bright, and it supports a native resolution of 720p, which is just enough for keeping this thing somewhat close enough to maybe a table, and then having this be for business meetings or something of those sorts. It's also very portable, so if you really want, you could fit it inside of your bag, whip it out, and have a full-fledged projector whenever you need. It takes around 5 seconds to set up. Simply plug and play, and afterwards hook it up to your laptop and you're pretty much set to go. Now, this thing also supports flip mode, so if you want it to be something for your home where you're setting up a home theater or something of those sorts, you're pretty much good as well. You can hook it up upside down and it will flip itself and you're pretty much good. They also support free international shipping and a 3-year warranty. Now, something I know with projectors is that, sometimes they come with a dead pixel or something of those sorts, so you're pretty much good in terms of that. So you can buy with confidence and be perfectly set to go. Now, last but not least, I also want to mention the overall projection quality on this thing. It's just bright enough for you to be perfectly good. The quality is good enough for you to be streaming or something simple. Is this something that's gonna shock you and something that you might see at the movie theater? No, it's not 4K or anything of those sorts, but it's good enough where it's portable. You whip it out, it's super seamless when it comes to setup, and it's just good enough for your family to enjoy, and just good enough for you to whip out at a business meeting and be like, whoa, I have a full-on projector here, take a look at these graphs and whatnot, and you're pretty much good. So all in all, guys, go ahead and check out the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.